Now let's test our program which we built last time. Again, let's review how to connect our ST-Link to our microcontroller. I've connected the white wire and jumper to pin 3.3 volts, and on ST-Link it is pin number 7, or in other words, the first column and 1, 2, 3 and 4th row. And I've connected the white wire to the pin which is located in the first column and 1, 2, 3, 4th row. GND, we have some options, for example number 5 and 6. I've connected the GND to blue wire, and I've connected blue wire to pin number 5 as indicated here. SWCLK, which is connected to pin number 2. I've connected the gray wire to this and here, and finally it is SWDIO, the purple one, and pin number 4, and the purple one is connected to pin number 4. Again, if you have any troubles on how to connect your microcontroller to your ST-Link, a complete tutorial is provided for this on our first video in our YouTube channel. You could drop by and check completely how to connect these pins together. So let's connect the ST-Link to the computer. Well, it is connected. This is our project. Let's do the settings again, and yeah, it is all right. Use the latest compiler, create hex file, and debug ST-Link. It is detected, and I wanted to reset and run the program automatically, so I do the settings. Then I don't need to press the reset button on the hardware, I mean this button. I don't need to do this. Well, so let's build it for another time. Brilliant, 0 errors, 0 warnings. So let's load the program. There is something wrong here. I wanted the program to run whenever the button was pressed, so I need to reconsider everything. Well, you know, as if the button is always on. I guess it is getting noise. Maybe I've forgotten to pull them down. Yeah, let me check the cubemx, our cubemx file. This cubemx file is in the location of your project, so open it. So we come to system view, GPIO, PB11. No pull up, no pull down. I discussed this concept entirely, and I forgot to do it in my own project. So I pull it down. So in this way, pin B11 is always connected to ground unless I press the push button. So let's click on generate code. This is challenging. You always encounter problems in your project. You need to debug everything, hardware, software, everything. This is the new one. I don't want this. Old one file has been updated, changed outside the editor. Reload, yes to all. Has been modified externally. Reload, yes. Reload it and build it for another time. and upload it. Load finished. Yeah, as you can see, it works just fine. Our project is completed, and if I don't press it, press it for a second, it works. If I hold it, whenever the button is pressed, pin B11 is connected to 3.3 volts as the wiring discussed earlier, and then the program runs its loop and blinks these LEDs in this manner respectively. And if it is not pressed, it doesn't work. If it is pressed just for a second, it goes through the loop and does whatever it is written in the program. Well, our project is done here. Good luck. Follow us. In our first project, we controlled a single LED. In the second project, we controlled 3 LEDs. In the next project, we are going to control 7 LEDs, which are gathered in a single component called 7 segment. We're going to play around with it. Good luck.